Hey guys, this is RDG from RDGAudio. In this video, we will replace the speaker of studio monitor. Many people ask us how to change speakers. That's why we are creating a tutorial. Today we will replace mid-range speakers with CHNB1600. It's a hybrid speakers, so it can be used as woofer or as mid-range, but we will connect it with crossover and use it as mid-range speaker. This speaker has 60 watt RMS. Frequency response is 32 Hz to 5 kHz. First, I will ground the speaker with amplifier. Then open the crossover circuit board and connect the speaker with mid-range port. This crossover circuit board has one 20 MFD non-polar capacitor, one 6.8 MFD non-polar capacitor, 1.047 PF, that is 1.047 picofarad capacitor, two voice coils. Just solder it properly and make sure there is no dry solder. It may cause voltage fluctuation and damage your amplifier. After soldering, place and fit the crossover board inside the box. This is the 8-inch woofer, perfect for dynamic bass response. Then screw up the speakers. Now it's testing time. I hope now you will be able to replace your studio monitors. Nothing to worry, we are always with you.